Wait.
not talk.
Shooting yourself with a blank does not end your turn.
I totally did not pay attention to
I wasn't looking at the shells either.
the shells. Totally did not pay
Is
attention.
that video that I sent you the right one?
3 blue, 3 red.
Okay. No, that's not the one that I saw.
Oh.
It was from the artist.
That's
Who made a
crazy.
TikTok about it.
I just immediately shoot Brendan in the face.
I wasn't even watching Buckshot.
I just went for it. I didn't even care. What you think, Flappy?
Fuck you.
You only phone once. Yo, Pope.
Oh my god, he got so lucky. Wait, can I put this back down?
Nope.
Mm-mm.
Alright. The odds! Does the
I'm gonna do something diabolical.
Oh man.
You have a 1 in 4 chance of not dying. Any last, maybe words? No? Okay.
That's crazy.
Jeez.
Can't believe Brendan died right away.
And I'm the stoned one.
Okay, that's funny. Alright. 4 rounds, 3 blanks. And it's Flaffy's turn. I feel like now that we targeted Brendan, I feel like I'm gonna be targeted now.
You so are.
I'm just waiting for Flaffy to turn the shotgun in my direction. And I can just feel it.
Am I just slowly turning into a shy guy?
Yeah.
Alright.
All I can think about is a swamp noise. Ew. Don't do that again.
Why was that so deep?
2 red,
I
1 blue.
hated that.
Brendan, I know we had some rough patches. Brendan?
It's okay, Brendan. I didn't shoot. Wait, I did. I did once. Wait, I was the one that killed you. Never mind. I'm sorry.
Yeah! Like,
I'm
why?
stoned.
I just accidentally opened up my OBS. Oh, shit!
Oh, unexpected play. He had us in the first half.
Hang on, my OBS
That was
just
cringe.
opened
I
up.
apologize.
Close it.
Gross.
That was cringe. I apologize.
Honk.
They're both blanks.
Ah. Uh-oh, don't do that. Honk.
They're both blanks.
Honk.
They're both blanks.
What?
Wait, you
should
turned
know
it
better.
back? The first one?
No, it was 2 reds, 1 blue.
Fuck!
1 red got shot, 1 blue got shot.
I'm just gonna take that. Thank you, Reyna.
What the fuck, dude?
Honk.
Just gonna take this.
Man. I'm so sorry. That fire. I'm so sorry.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, Jacob agreed to watch Ace Ventura with me
Oh my gosh.
tonight.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
He's never seen Ace Ventura before.
Oh my gosh.
Alright. Any last words, Reyna?
I thought you were like Giga stuck. That's my last words.
Giga stuck.
Never mind.
Lizard.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Stop!
There should be like one bullet left.
Dude, this song bop for real.
Hey.
Mwomp.
Okay,
Oh, that hurts so
I
bad.
have a
I'm gonna go
chance-
get a
I
Diet
have a-
Dr. Pepper.
I have a chance to win it all right now.
No, you don't. You have a chance to kill Flaffy.
Yeah, and I win because both of you guys are dead.
Brenda's dead?
Yeah.
He is now.
Ooh.
I'm gonna take the chance.
Okay.
Alright, Fluffy. Yeah!
Oh.
I had like, so that phone call I used, the fourth shell is gonna be blank. I literally sat there and went, hold on, let me, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm 4! Let me just switch that up. Damn, first shot.
You could have played that song through
What did you mean by skip the album?
instead of just the one song. It showed a whole thing, and it says that there's 10 tracks and what you added.
I hate you, Brendan. I trusted you.
Bear country.
You're holding a beer can. Does anyone else see that?
Country.
Is it just me or does anyone else see Raina holding a beer can?
Nope.
Really?
You must be blind.
3 for 3? That's some bullshit. No way it's again. There's no fucking way. If it's 4 for 4, I'm done.
What do you mean 4 for 4?
Every
If I
time.
target you,
No, like. I
every time I start, it ends up being alive.
no. Every time I've been shot, it's been alive.
Oh,
Are you kidding me?
Sorry, I had my mic muted again. I was laughing when
Okay.
I shot Emery. And I finally got that album skipped.
I
Oh.
hate you. 4 for 4. What are the odds?
Oh, I had to reverse the polarity on the show.
You bastard.